Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together. It is another opportunity for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, so we will be having another edition of it again tonight. Okay, this particular program has always been giving us positive results on daily basis, and I'm happy that we are here again to do it together again. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out these assets, and everything I will be doing is going to be based on my own personal trading tools analysis, and of course the time frame we will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always start with a small trading capital and grow it up till you get to that level. So many people have done that, you too can also do the same thing. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and right here we are on 5-minute time frame, and we are using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This was an uptrend right from this support zone, got to this resistance zone, pull back a bit, and of course went back up to break out from that resistance zone, and of course to end the trend at this particular resistance zone. Right from there it started a downtrend. Okay, so it has got into this region, pull back, and of course got into this support zone. It might pull back a bit before going back to break out from there to see if it would eventually get to this particular support zone. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500, still on 5-minute time frame. You can see it was on uptrend before, but it has got into this resistance zone and has not been able to break out above it. Right now it is selling at the moment. It will keep on selling until it gets to this particular support zone, and it will try to see if it will break out below it. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and this has been crashing. It's been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it has been crashing for a very long time, and of course it is already at this support zone. It might want to pull back a bit before it continue with the crashing. Okay, so if it pulls back a bit, then it will come back also to try out the support zone to see if it will break out below it. Once it breaks out below it, then it will keep on crashing right from there. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, but it has got into this resistance zone and was unable to break out above it. So definitely it is going back on sell trend at the moment, and this will be crashing more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Finally, let's check out what we are with volatility 75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course it has got into this resistance zone and was unable to break out above it. So right now it is selling at the moment, so this will be selling more at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity also than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.